Now, I gave you simple exercises with conversion of units. However, you're going to encounter a lot of word problems. Students struggle a lot with word problems, and it's because they have a hard time identifying what information is important, what information is not important, what is being asked, etc. So a bucket holds 16 quarts. How many gallons of water will fill the bucket? They told you, or they instructed you, to use a unit conversion factor to convert the units. Now, like I mentioned before, for me, it's kind of hard to process that information in words. So this word problem, I visualize 16 quarts equal how many gallons, blank gallons. So I'm going to start making my decision. And the first thing is what was given. And I was given 16 quarts. Okay, what do you want? Oh, I want to know how many gallons is that. Okay, so what do you need? Well, I need to know how many quarts are in a gallon or vice versa. And after I look it up, I found out that in 1 gallon, there are 4 quarts. Good, from this conversion statement. I can get 2 fractions. What is the first one? 1 gallon over 4 quarts. And the second one, 4 quarts over 1 gallon. Okay, now that I have everything that I need, now the next step is set up the multiplication. What I was given 16 quarts. Okay, and what I want to cancel out the word quarts. So I need to choose which of these 2 fractions will cancel the word quarts. Now remember, 16 quarts is like 16 over 1. So quarts is on the top of the fraction. So which of these 2 fractions, unit conversion factors, has the quarts on the bottom? The second one. That's what I'm going to multiply 16 quarts by 1 gallon over 4 quarts. Why? Because the word quarts cancel out. Once I set it up, now I'm going to simplify. Let's multiply. I'm going to write 16 over 1 and then multiply by 1 gallon over 4 quarts. The word quarts cancel out. And then I'm just going to multiply fractions, top with top, bottom with bottom. And then I'm going to simplify. 16 divided by 4 is going to be 4 gallons. Okay? And that's how you work these word problems. Now it's your turn to try this out. So I'm going to give you 2 exercises. Hit the pause button and work it out. And when you're ready, come back and hit the play button to check yourself. All right, let's try the first word problem. After I read the word problem, this is what I start visualizing. 64 ounces equal blank pounds. Okay, now I'm going to start the process. Okay, what was given? Well, I was given 64 ounces. Okay, what do I want? I want to know how many pounds. What do I need? Well, I need to know how many pounds are in an ounce or vice versa. And I found out that in 1 pound, there are 16 ounces. From that conversion statement, I'm going to make my 2 fractions. Now I'm going to choose which of these 2 fractions cancel the word ounces. But remember that 64 ounces is a whole number. So I'm going to write it as a fraction. And which of these 2 fractions cancel the word ounces? That will be the first fraction. That's what I put here. The word ounces cancel out. And when they cancel out, I only have the word pounds on the top left. And then I multiply top with top, bottom with bottom. And then I simplify. 64 divided by 16 is 4. Okay. Similar process for the second word problem. After I read it, I start visualizing this simple exercise. 2 liters equal blank milliliters. Okay. What was given? 2 liters. What was asked to find out? How many milliliters? What do I need? Well, I need to find out how many milliliters are in a liter or vice versa. I found out that in 1 liter, I have 1,000 milliliter. From there, I can get two fractions. Now I'm going to choose one of these fractions that when I multiply by the given measurement, the 2 liters, it cancels out the word liter. That will be the second fraction. Remember, 2 liters over 1. So the word liter is on the top. So I needed a fraction that has the word liter on the bottom. That's why I chose the second fraction. Now the word liters cancel out. Now I'm going to multiply top with top, bottom with bottom. And what do I get at the end? 2,000 milliliters over 1. But 2,000 milliliters over 1 is the same thing as 2,000 milliliters.